Hello everyone, I am Dan. I am a avatar. In this episode, we will unveil how Revit Family enhances collaboration among engineering teams, fosters the creation of intelligent and interconnected building systems, and ultimately contributes to the overall success of construction projects. Now, let's shift our focus to another remarkable aspect of this technology, its role in mechanical, electrical, and plumbing engineering, commonly known as Revit MEP. Just as it has reshaped architectural design, Revit Family brings about significant advancements in the coordination and integration of mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems within building projects. In the realm of Revit MEP, creating families goes beyond shaping walls and doors. It extends to the intricate world of systems that ensure a building functions seamlessly, from H, V, and C components to electrical fixtures and plumbing elements. Revit Family empowers engineering teams to model, analyze, and refine their designs with unparalleled efficiency. Join me as we explore the extraordinary capabilities of Revit Family in the context of MEP engineering, unraveling the potential it holds for creating smarter, more interconnected, and seamlessly functioning building systems. I am Dan. Please share, like, and subscribe on Primus channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.